Hey guys, it's PJ and welcome back to Shift Society. Now in the last video, we did some minor LED upgrades to the C6 Corvette Widebody project. We popped in some eBay side marker lights in the rear and we also put them in the front. If you haven't checked out that video yet, go ahead and click right up here. He'll take you to it. That will let you see what has happened and what is to come. So today, like I said in the last video, we're gonna pop in some new tail lights in the C6 Corvette. Now I was gonna go with like the halo ones or just dark tinted lenses. Something kind of caught my eye and it was a little bit different, and I haven't seen it on very many C6s, and that may be a good thing or a bad thing. I was looking on eBay and I found these tail lights that basically are completely blacked out except for a little strip in the middle, and I thought maybe with those LED stripped side markers it would look really good on the car. So we're gonna pop those in today. I'm gonna get your all's opinion on them. Still kind of torn about the look, but I think with the blue, the black tail lights kind of just make it pop, especially when the spoiler goes back on. Well, the new spoiler goes on. I have an old spoiler that I actually dropped. You know, it'll be sitting on there like that. So that'll at least give you a look of what a gloss black spoiler looks like on the back of this with the tail lights we're going with. So let me go ahead, open this box up, get you guys set up, and it's a very easy plug and play installation, and then I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, so we got the tail lights installed. It is very simple, but as you can see in that little quick montage, I didn't bolt them in because I still have some work to do, but I just wanted to kind of get your all's opinion on these tail lights. Myself personally, like I said, I'm 50-50 on them. I think maybe I take a piece of tail light tint and see if I can't tint down the chrome strip that's in the middle, because that's the only thing that I don't exactly like about it, is that where the LEDs are in the middle, it is kind of chrome, and I don't have any chrome on the car, nor am I going to have chrome on the car. But this is what they look like, somewhat installed. I just haven't pushed in there, but the way these connect, it has this little plug that comes out of the back of the tail light that literally just plugs right into that. You actually just screw the headlight bulb back into this, and that seals it up and makes it waterproof. So you should not have any issues with condensation getting inside of the tail lights. So that is how they look off. So let me go ahead and click this on. Side markers are lit up, and so are the tails. So that's what I was talking about, with the side markers being that strip and then the tail lights having the strip LEDs in the middle. That's kind of why I went with those, because I think it kind of gives it just a different look from every other Corvette, which is kind of what I'm after. So that is kind of a close up what they look like along with the side markers. So let me kill the lights real quick and give you a good look from behind what these look like. So this is with the lights off. Kind of gives you a better idea of what I was talking about with the strip in the middle here and the strip LEDs on the smoke side markers. It just gives it a cool look from behind. It's one of those things that I guess if you're not used to it on a Corvette, it probably looks strange, but I think it looks so good, especially when you're looking at it at night. Yeah, I'm iffy about them on the daytime, but at nighttime, I kind of like them. So here's one more look at them in the daytime. Like I said, I'm iffy about them. This isn't the only LEDs in it. That is, I guess, just your regular tail light, but when you hit the brake, it actually lights up pretty much all the way around here. And I think I have to have the car started to actually show that to you, but I will make it a point to show you in a future video. So guys, down below in the comments, what do you guys think about this different approach to C6 Corvette tail light? Like I said, I'm kind of on the fence about them. They look good when they're lit up, but the chrome just kind of gets me. So I think I want to throw some smoke tint over this whole thing to see maybe if I can't just tone down that chrome a little bit. But I do have chrome exhaust tips, well, polished, whatever you want to call the shiny stuff that's on the tips, whether it's polished or chrome. I'm sure somebody in the comments is going to tell me. What do you guys think? Should I keep these? Should we roll with a different one? Should we be different? Should we be like everybody else? I mean, the car's already kind of, it's going to stand out. I mean, it's bright voodoo blue from a Toyota that I threw on a Corvette. So, but guys, what do you think? In the comments below, please let me know. Now, if you want a sneak peek of everything we're doing, along with my other car page that I manage, go over to my Instagram, give it a follow. If you want your car featured on there, shoot me a DM on Instagram and we'll get you set up. But if you like these taillights, if you like the content, if you like the channel, give this video a big thumbs up. Apparently it does help the videos get seen. And be sure to help your boy out. Hit that big red subscribe button. We are on our way to 5K. We already eclipsed 4K, hit 4,100 just now. We're on our way to 4,200. But I would love to hit 5K by the end of February. My birthday is in 4 days. This is Tuesday, the 2nd, Groundhog Day. Unfortunately, the groundhog did see his shadow. So we're going to be stuck in the snow for another month and a half. According to old Punxsutawney Phil, go subscribe to your boy. Get your boy to 5K by the end of February. Give me the best birthday present that I could ask for from the public. Hit that big red subscribe button. Just like always, I will see you guys on the next video.